How to fix Spotify family invite link not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your Spotify's family invite link not working. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So if you're facing this issue, just try to reconnect to your Wi-Fi first. Try to reconnect to your Wi-Fi, and after you've done that, you can then try to use the link again. And again, if the link does not work, then let's move on. So first steps first, you'll need to open up history. To open up history, press Ctrl plus H. After you've pressed Ctrl plus H, that is your history, you'll be on this page right here. What you'll need to do is tap on clear browsing history. After you tapped on clear browsing history, you are now redirected to another tab here. Now, what you'll need to do is for the time range, select the last 7 days, and under advanced, make sure that you've selected cached cookies and other site data and stuff like that. Then simply delete your data. After you've deleted your data, you can come back to your Spotify, reload the page, and try to use the link again. And that should fix the issue. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.